hotel. Oh my god, the train from Bologna to here, it broke down, and we were on that train for about an hour and 45 minutes waiting for someone to fix it. And it was hot on that train because it's literally 23 degrees, and look what I'm wearing. Look at this. It was so hot. Let me show you properly, okay? So I'm gonna walk back. So this is the bathroom. So tidy. This is it. Very nice mirror. I'll probably get ready here tomorrow. Oh, and look at all of this, the goodies. So you get all of that with it. And I'm glad it's not a bath, it's a shower. There's 2 rooms, there's 2 beds here, but it's only me. So there's this room. Let's put the light on. There's this room. I'm probably going to sleep in this one because it's a bit bigger and it looks more comfortable. And look. Oh my god, isn't this just pretty? So nice. I need to charge my phone for about an hour. I need to get some juice on it, and then I'm going to go out and explore the city. So literally, I think now I can say that I can take one thing off my... Is there a car behind me? Jesus Christ. Could have got run over. He just waved at me. I could have got run over. I literally just saw the car like through here. So literally I can say that I can take one thing off my 30 before 30s list, and that is to go somewhere and just sit down and eat by myself. Do you know what, at first it was a challenge because I am by myself and I'm overseas, and I just thought, oh, let me just order room service. But you know what, I thought, let me be brave, go out, just sit down and just have lunch. And do you know what, that was the best salad that I think I've ever had in my life. Oh, having that bread was the best decision I've ever made today. Today is day 2 in Reggio Emilia. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Oh my god, it's 6:30 in the afternoon and I had to wake up so early. I had to wake up at 6, get ready, leave the hotel for about 7:40 to go to the place where the show was. It's literally been all day. So I've just finished and I'm gonna go around and get some ice cream, and there's some more shops up that way. I've seen a Sephora and I'm definitely going to it. I need to pop in there and see what they have and see what I could get, and then I'm gonna go get an ice cream because I feel like you can't come to Italy and not have ice cream. Shoes. Oh, silver shoes. Jesus, 245 euros. Hell to the no. Look how beautiful this street is. So pretty. So clean. I'm a vanilla kind of girl. Just a light on the bed of this one. Oh, nice. I nearly got run over by a lady on a bicycle. Literally. She literally went bling, 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 bling. Because I was eating, I'm not looking where I was going.
Hai preso l'indirizzo?
Hola! Oh, sugar, completely different language. Hello.
Hello, sì, ma do you speak English?
Yes,
No.
a little bit. Do you want to say hello to my subscribers?
No.
Do you want to say hello?
Beh, questo qui è la foto. Cosa fai? Non mi fai la fotografia?
Sorry. Bye.
Bye, bye.
If you speak Italian, please tell me what he said. I have no idea. Good morning. Oh my god, it's so bright. Look, The sky is blue. I literally have to go. I'm running so late. I need to go for breakfast. But yeah, I'm checking out of my hotel. It's Hotel Posto. So I'll put it right here, and I'm sure you guys have seen it at the beginning. But I've enjoyed staying here. It's been, I came on Tuesday and I'm leaving on Thursday. So it's been like 3 days here. But yeah, I'm gonna miss it. And I have my bag packed already over here. So yeah, I'll probably vlog some more when I'm at the airport. It's my bag. This is the bag that I took with me. It's my Elka Bennett bag.